DPF Cleaning Solutions by MotorPower Care. MotorPower Care provides a three-way cleaning solution for the DPF diesel particulate filter, Preventive, Cleaner, and a Super Cleaner. We start with our Cleaner and Preventive Additive. MotorPower Care DPF Additive 804 is a cleaner and preventative, easy to use by just adding to the diesel tank. The formula based on cerium-oxide nanoparticulates to be used as a catalyst for the regeneration of diesel particulate filters. MotorPower Care DPF Cleaner Additive lowers the ignition temperature of soot collected in the diesel particulate filter and optimizes periodic combustion of accumulated soot. MotorPower Care DPF Additive is a simple, affordable, concentrated formula that can be added directly to your diesel tank. The second solution is a direct spray cleaner. MotorPower Care DPF Foam Cleaner 8101 is unique and easy to use, effectively cleans and loosens carbon and ash deposits in the DPF without disassembly. Due to its foaming characteristics, the cleaner deeply penetrates into the pores of the ceramic honeycomb structure of the filter. And our third super cleaner solution, MotorPower Care DPF Flush Liquid 810, is the ultimate cleaning solution, and with a little bit of know-how, you can do it yourself and save the high cleaning cost. This cleaning option requires disassembling of the DPF. The product will dissolve and remove all soot and debris from the diesel particulate filter. The flushing liquid cleans gently and can be used perfectly on all parts of aluminum, magnesium, zinc, cadmium, and ceramics. MotorPower Care cleans, restores, and protects.